What's up, YouTube? Tapping in late night, man, with my late night go-getters. Hey, guys, got to give you guys a little bit of guidance for preparation on tomorrow, okay? So check it out. We had a lot of momentum, not only today, but even the past couple days dating back to last Friday and how that day ended off. And that momentum has continued to carry on into this week, okay? Now listen, I'm going to caution you guys on the fact that you got two things at play. You got the momentum lifting stocks. It's like a rising tide lifting all boats, okay? So you got some plays moving and grooving right now, okay? But you always have to be on the lookout. You always got to be leery of how long the rally can last. Is this rally really sustainable? And when will they let the air out of it and deflate this rally to begin to sell off again? So with that being said, the trend is your friend. So respect the rally, respect the moves to the upside, understanding that the rug pull can come at any point in time, whether that be tomorrow, whether that be by the end of the week, whether that be sometime next week, okay? Be on the lookout, be on your A game as it relates to that. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and celebrate some of you guys that did your thing on the day. Major salute. I'm always happy to receive the receipts from you guys that are doing your thing. I often tell you, I don't care how big or how small the victory is. I just like to see you guys win. I love to see you guys learning. I love to see the process, okay? I love to see you guys figuring it out. Chris, I tried this. I didn't make that much, man, but boom, Chris, I took a loss. I got in, got back out, and then I was able to make some money on my next play. I love to hear it all, guys, so understand over here is welcome, okay? I'm going to celebrate it. I don't care about no naysayer. I'm going to show you guys how to consistently do this, how to win consistently, how to win the right way, because I often say if you learn this, man, it can be supplemental income. It can expedite your wealth building process. It can also help you lead a corporate plantation. It can do a lot of things, okay? And so it's important to embrace it all, embrace our two-pronged approach of investing in quality companies and then learning options on the side, okay? Well, once again, major salute to everybody that did the thing on the day, and major salute to everybody in the Discord continuing to learn, earn, and get better each and every day, guys. Keep it up. With that being said, listen, we got to get ready for a crazy day on tomorrow, okay? So listen, we are at that crossroad point of the week. I knew the momentum from Friday would carry to this week, but now we're heading into Wednesday. We're heading into a crossroad. So listen, kind of like I alluded to this morning, I'm expecting us to have a little momentum to kick off the day. Futures, at least as of right now, already is confirming a little bit what my thought process is. I'll double check in the morning to see if that holds true or if something changes overnight. But right now, without knowing nothing but what I know about this beautiful game, I'm looking for another continuation of yesterday to happen for tomorrow, okay? Or a continuation of today. What we did today in the market, I'm looking for a little bit more of that tomorrow. And so with that being said, expect some more moves to the upside, expect some sideways stagnated trading at points in time throughout the day, and then some pullbacks here and there, but nothing major until you have a catalyst, like a headline, like something that's been said that hasn't been said, something that's unforeseen maybe at this point in time. Speaking of that, guys, the SPY is one thing I'll be focused on. Yesterday or today, I told you guys that when it was sitting at 400, I said, man, this can get to 407, 408 for today. It closed at 408 for today. But on top of that, because it closed there, that's a good sign. It may dip down a little bit tomorrow back to 403, 404. But if it can climb, it may be able to test 409, possibly 410. That will be another bullish sign if it can close at that level. If it can't and it just tested, then we got to look at where it actually closed at, guys. You need to be watching out for levels like 403, 400, and 398 to the downside on whether or not, again, we're headed back down or if we're just retesting support levels, okay? But again, have your head on a swivel. look at what's going on. Always check the SPY. Make sure you are familiar with what's going on and what's happening with the SPY, as it oftentimes dictates what is going on with other individual stocks in the stock market. Okay, so with that being said, guys, I'm going to be locked in on that. I'll give an update on that in the morning in the Discord, as well as some other plays that I'll be looking at in the morning time, just based on how they may be moving in pre-market. But I need us to be locked, loaded, and ready to go. Listen, matter of fact, speaking of the Discord, make sure you're in there. Make sure you tap in with our pro investors. Make sure you listening to the daily briefing, because it can serve as a guide for you to dominate the day. Point blank period, okay? So with that being said, listen, guys, up next, we got our word of the day, and our word of the day is momentum. Now, check it out, guys. In our previous video today, I talked to you about the importance of understanding risk on environments. Okay, but risk on is often associated with momentum, which is our word for the day today. And today, the momentum was back in the stock market. The momentum was back in small cap stocks, high growth stocks, and even some tech stocks took part in today's rally, which was good to see. Okay, now again, we don't know if it's short lived. We might get a midday run up for tomorrow, and then boom, by the afternoon, everything starts to come back down. But nevertheless, momentum is what propels the stock higher. Momentum is what energizes and invigorates the stock market, okay? Oftentimes they try to suppress that, okay, to keep players from flying or going to the moon or being short squeezed and things of that nature. But when they do allow it to go through, you get to see how stocks can truly run, how stocks can truly rally, and how the market can do some crazy, beautiful things, okay? But with that being said, momentum is a word that I want you to add to your Rolodex, okay? Add that to your list of stock lingo that you need to make sure that you want to be in stocks, especially when you're trying to do options that have momentum, okay? You want stocks that have good volume. You want stocks that have open interest. You want all these various things to be part of the mix so that you're making sure you're baking the right cake, okay? With that being said though, guys, our word of the day is momentum, and we're hoping to see a little bit more of that in the market for tomorrow and preferably the rest of the week, okay? We due for a turnaround, but nevertheless, we're still in a down market until otherwise, okay? Until the trend truly changes, until we break some key resistance levels, we're still in a downtrend. So respect it as such, but also embrace that there will be pops in the market, all right? With that being said, guys, listen, man, let's get ready to do our thing. If you get some buying opportunities for tomorrow, please take advantage of it. You know the levels we like all of our plays, okay? Today was a day you put your feet up, because on green days or on rally days, we're not doing a bunch of buying. We love the red days. When there's blood in the streets, it's time to eat. All that simply means, guys, is we go shopping when stocks are on sale. That's what the red days are intended to do. Okay, you're supposed to scoop up the stocks you know, like, and love, or the stocks you have the highest conviction in when they are at those attractive price levels, okay? That is what you want to be doing. And so I want you guys to survey the lay of the land. If you see a stock come to a price that we like, so again, example, VTI, as you are building out your ETF portion of your portfolio. If you're adding that to the mix, I told you I love it at 200 or below. Today it popped up to 202 at times, different things like that. You can add it at 202, dollar cost average. If it come down to 200 briefly, you can add some more there. If it come and cracks through 200 to 199, you can add there, okay? If it has another green day and you don't want to buy above those levels, just put your feet up and let the stock do its thing, okay? That's just one example. I told you we like NVIDIA at certain levels, 160s, 150s, we like it. But if NVIDIA wants to run and be around 180, again, put your feet up for the time being, because it should come back down when the market comes back down. Listen, guys, that's just one example of many, man, that we can go through, that we have went through. Just follow the plan, continue to execute on a plan, and the rest will take care of itself. Listen, guys, when they sleep, we eat. When they panic, we pounce. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.